Welcome back. So many of you have asked me what we eat in the breakfast, what we eat in the lunch, how I incorporate the fermented food in my day-to-day life, day-to-day diet. So today I'm going to show you one of my favorite breakfast I'm going to make today. There are only few kind of breakfast I take, like smoothie. I have already shown you the video how to make smoothie. Then there is sourdough bread sandwiches. That one also I have shown you before. Now I'm going to show you how to make sourdough pancake. So sourdough, you know, already fermented flour, and it's with some yeast and bacteria. So I'm going to make the pancake with the sourdough discard. So let's make it. Okay, so what we need flour first, right? So we'll add flour, and then I'm going to add this is my sourdough discard, and I'm going to add around 2 spoons and 3 spoons. Not too much, then it will be sour, bit sour. And I'm also going to add, can you come down for a while? I'm also going to add wheat flour. So right now I have added white flour, and I'm going to add some wheat flour. So you can add milk in the pancake, but I'm just adding water because I'm going to add honey cranberries, which is my favorite.
My favorite one. Oh.
Yes, your favorite also. Need more water. I think enough.
Water.
Okay. And now I will add 1 spoon yogurt, because later I'm going to add little bit baking powder, and yogurt is sour also, so it will make the pancake very fluffy and soft. So just 1 spoon. Not too much. And a pinch of salt. So little bit Himalayan salt. And now I'm going to add some grated coconut. This one is for garnishing. And I think you need little bit more. So little bit more, but I'm going to add 1 egg, so I think it will be fine. No. Yes. You're not going to make the dough yellow, because this is not the cake. This is pancake.
And it's like very soft.
Yes.
Also,
So now you can
very
see the
nice.
consistency is perfect.
and
Not
it's
very
soft.
liquid
Yeah,
and not
it's
very
soft.
tight.
And not very soft also.
Okay, so we are done with this, and now we are going to add a little bit of baking powder. You can add actually baking soda.
If you want.
Yes. Actually, let's add little bit, 1 pinch of baking soda as well, so that the pancake will be very fluffy. And Boo Boo loves fluffy pancake. So just 1 pinch. So we are going to leave it for just 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And then we will start making the pancake. Ten minutes break. Ten minutes over, and we are starting now.
So much fire.
It's
Be
okay.
careful by keeping the fire steady when I'm burning.
Hmm.
And then we need to put oil.
Yes.
Oil, yes, I told the correct answer.
Yes, because you know everything, right?
Yes.
I'm going to use the coconut oil. This is homemade. If you have not seen the coconut oil video, how to make cold press coconut oil at home, check out the link. I will put in the description. So this is homemade coconut oil, and I'm also going to use here.
It's going to be very nice for your pancake. Really, really nice.
And you can see the small bubble there.
Yeah.
Yes, so
It's going to be
that's the sign of the fluffiness. And I'm going to cover for a while.
just ready fluffy. Pancake is almost ready.
Ooh.
It's getting ready.
Yeah. If you like coconut, you should use coconut oil. And especially this homemade coconut oil, the aroma is heavenly. दिल दिया है जान दे देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान दे देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए. Let me take a close picture.
One,
This is very noisy.
Yeah.
So basically what I want to show you, there are various ways to use the fermented food. So it's not necessary that you have to eat the fermented food raw always. You can cook them, and when you cook them it's even better because your body is able to absorb all the nutrients. Because of fermentation, the phytic acid phytase gets broken, and when phytic acid and phytase get broken, your body is able to absorb all the nutrients. So that's why either you eat the raw food, the raw fermented food, or you can always cook them. I'm going to start sourdough series very soon, and I'm going to show you how to make sourdough bread, how to prepare the sourdough yeast, what we call sourdough starter, and then with the starter how you can make a very nice soft fluffy bread. So going to come soon, stay tuned. Okay, so this is done. So when you making pancake, you keep the flame medium to low, not very high, then your pancake will burn from the below and inside it will be still raw. So always keep the flame low. मरहमी सा चाँद है तू, दिल जला सा एक अंधेरा, एक दूजे के लिए है.
Not a secret. It's not a fairy tale. It's not a secret. It's not a fairy tale. It's rain and rain. The rainbows in the sky to show God's promises are true. The rainbows in the sky to show. It is the holiday. It is the holiday. It's the holiday today.
Oh yes, today is the holiday, correct. So if you like a thick pancake, thick fluffy soft pancake, you put less water. I have added little bit more water and then later I added the egg. So that's why it's bit liquid, but I like my pancake not so thick.
This is the last pancake, and then we're going to have
Fun.
fun.
Okay, so this is done. So here it is.
Very nice smell also. It's so lovely smell.
Yes.
If you want to make more, you can smell a lot.
Wow, that's a good logic. If you want more smell, you have to make a lot. Okay. Okay, so the pancakes are here. It's ready. It's hot. And I am going to serve with cold maple syrup and some grated coconut for garnishing. And you can add any fresh fruits, you can add raisin, dates, plenty of options. soft, sweet, sour, fluffy and melting in my mouth. You have noticed that I have not added sugar in the batter because I wanted to have more maple syrup. So if you don't have maple syrup, then you can add some sugar in the batter itself, and then you can eat the pancake with cream cheese or even jaggery also good. In our place during winter we get nolen gur, and that's also quite similar to maple syrup, and this nolen gur also goes very well. So if you want a nice pancake, you must have maple syrup at home. If you have liked this video, comment below, give me a thumbs up, press the subscribe button.
And subscribe mommy video.
Yes. Okay, so again, okay. So our breakfast is ready. We are going to eat. If you have liked this video, comment below, give me a thumbs up, press the subscribe button. Press what button?